Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are liking my videos and you have also liked the thought from which I started the video today. Firstly, I'll explain to you what that thought actually meant. Your limitation. That if you're thinking that this is my limit, no, it's only your imagination. You can push yourself more. You can, if you have that zeal, if you have that energy, if you have that positivity in yourself, if you have that desire to achieve it, you will definitely achieve whatever you want in your life. It's all in your head. You just have to tell your head that you can do it and you will do it and you will definitely achieve whatever you want in your life. So keeping that thought in your mind, today I would like to start a new topic, that is past perfect tense. I have been uploading the videos on tenses and I hope you are liking and watching it also, and you all are benefiting yourself from those videos. I'll be continuing the rest of the tenses which are left, and today I'm going to discuss about the past perfect tense. So what is exactly past perfect tense? The action finished before another action or time in the past. There is an action which got finished before another action started. This is for what we use the past perfect tense. For example, Michael had already jogged by the time we ate. That means the work of Michael, that was jogging, the Michael had already jogged, one work is already complete by the time we ate, right? The next here I am going to discuss the three instances where we use the past perfect tense. So the very first is the action finished before the another action started. This I have already discussed in the slide just before this one. And the example here which is given is, when we arrived, the film had started. That means the film had already started, ये action पहले complete हो गया था, and then we arrived. So that जो action पहले complete हो गया था, for that we use had. And the next action is how long to a point in the past. That means certain action which has taken in the past for a duration of time. For example, when he graduated, he had been in London for 6 years. That means during his graduation, he was there in London, and that was the duration of 6 years. The next is unreal things in the past, something which you wish that it shouldn't have happened. For example, I wish I hadn't gone to bed so late. This is just an imagination कि ऐसा ना हुआ होता. So for that also we use the past perfect tense. Here, as in my previous videos, I have again and again emphasized on the syntax and the formula on which we frame the past perfect, the tenses, right? There I have discussed different tenses and I have given you different syntax, different formulas, okay, their respective formulas, so that you can frame your own sentences depending upon the tenses. So if the situation here arises of the past perfect tense, you can easily frame your sentence using the syntax subject plus had plus third form of the verb. So the very first instance is, it is used for the past action already finished when another past action happened. This is what I have been already discussing in my slides before. Example here is, after the film had started, we arrived. This example also I have discussed in the previous slide. Children, sometimes you might get irritated that ma'am is again and again speaking the same point. I am just trying to explain the same point in different ways so that it retains in your mind for a longer period of time. The next instance is for the past action that started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. This instance also I have already discussed in my last slide. And here the example is, I had never seen him for 5 days. This is a past statement कि पहले ही मतलब 5 दिन जो बीत चुके हैं, ठीक है, in those 5 days I have not seen him. The next is for unreal or imaginary things, wishes in the past. This instance also I have already discussed in the previous slide, and here the example is, we wish we hadn't eaten so much. Sometimes we eat a lot, especially when the dish is very tasty. We keep on eating and our tummy is more than full. So we say, I wish that I haven't eaten so much, right? Otherwise now my stomach is bulky and stomach ache is there. The next is in reported speech after verbs like said, told, asked, etc. For example, she said she had swum. She had swum, right? So if we talk about the reported speech, which is right now not in your syllabus, but for your knowledge I must just say that reported speech is something that if first person, second person, means I am you, I and you are talking, and you are going to report my words to someone else, that will be the reported speech. You are reporting my statement to someone else, right? So in that case we also use the past perfect tense. Here the simplest example or the simplest notation in which we use the past perfect tense is the subject, had, and then the third form of the verb. I have been always telling you that in a sentence there is three important parts, that is the subject, verb and the object, the SVO pattern. So here what has happened, that in the past perfect tense the subject is there, plus had is there, and a third form of the verb is there. And here in this example, she had cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. This is the instant, the very first instance I have been talking about कि एक action complete हो गया है दूसरे action के start होने से पहले. And here she is the subject, then we have used had, and then the first form of the verb. Basically had plus past participle is the syntax of past perfect tense. And what is past participle? The third form of the verb. And when it is used or it takes place before another past action. This I have been discussing in my last few slides, right? So this is the important instance where we use the past perfect tense. For example, I noticed that he had left his books behind. तो पहला काम क्या था कि उसने बुक्स छोड़ दी, राइट? एंड देन आई नोटिस, सो पहला काम क्या हुआ जो ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुका है, दैट इज ही लेफ्ट हिज बुक. सो आई एम यूजिंग द पास्ट परफेक्ट विथ द लेफ्ट बुक्स. सो ही हैड, दैट इज व्हाई पास्ट परफेक्ट इज यूज्ड देयर, एंड आई नोटिस्ड इज द पास्ट टेंस, राइट? मैंने नोटिस किया, दैट इज द पास्ट एक्शन, एंड बिफोर दैट एक्शन सम अदर एक्शन इज ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड, उसको हम past perfect में लिखेंगे, that is had, along with had and the third form of the verb. As I have already discussed the positive, negative and the interrogative sentences in all the tenses which I have discussed till now, so here I am again going to discuss the positive, negative and interrogative sentences in the past perfect tense also. In the positive sentence, I have already told you that subject plus had plus past participle, that is the third form of the verb, is used. For example, she had finished the test. The next is, if we talk about the negative sentence, subject plus had not plus past participle, that is the third form of the verb. For example, she had not or she hadn't finished the test. Now subject is there, then had not is there, and finish का third form is finished is there. And when we talk about the interrogative sentence, I already told you that when we frame the interrogative sentence, the auxiliary verb is used before subject. So here what is the auxiliary verb? Had. So had is used before the subject. So here the syntax or the formula becomes had plus subject plus the past participle, that is the third form of the verb. And if we go to the example, it is had she finished the test. In the next slide, I am going to tell you, list here the 10 examples just to make it clear that how we are using the syntax to frame the sentences in past perfect tense and how we can use it in our real life also. The baby had cried before her father came. This is the very first instance which I have been discussing from the very next slide कि एक काम complete होने के बाद दूसरा काम हुआ है, बेबी रो चुका है before उनके पापा आए, ठीक है, एक एक्शन से पहले ही वो एक्शन complete हो चुका है. So the baby is the subject, and as per the formula and the syntax, subject plus had, that means had is used, and the third form of the verb, that is cried. The baby is the subject plus had plus cried is the third form of the verb before her father came. The next sentence is the interrogative sentence, and where the auxiliary verb, that means had, is used before the subject, which here is the water. The water is the subject, and before the subject had is used, and boil ka third form is boiled. So had plus subject plus third form of the verb when you went to kitchen. The next is I had never seen such a nice beach before I went to Hawaii. So I is the subject, then had, then never shows the negative sense, so that is used, and then see ka third form of the verb, that is seen. I had never seen such a nice beach before I went to Hawaii. The next sentence is again an interrogative sentence where she is the subject, right? So again before subject had is used, and come, came, come. The third form of come is come. So had she come late to the school. The next sentence is I had lived in London before I moved to Paris. I is the subject plus had plus third form of the verb, that is lived in London before I moved to Paris. The sixth sentence is by the time I returned home, he had already left. So the first action has already completed, that he had already left, and the next action was I returned home. So I returned home will be written in the simple past tense. By the time I returned home, he had already left. The next sentence is until he went to England, he had not spoken English. ठीक है, ये एक इंस्टेंट है कि जब तक वो इंग्लैंड नहीं गए थे. he is the subject, had negative है, that is why we are using not, and speak का third form is spoken English. The eighth sentence is I went there after I had completed the task. यानी कि पहला टास्क कंप्लीट किया, देन आई वेंट देयर. तो आई वेंट देयर क्या हो जाएगा, सिंपल पास्ट में, ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. आई वेंट देयर, ठीक है. आफ्टर आई हैड मीन्स द फर्स्ट एक्शन विच हैज ऑलरेडी टेकन प्लेस इज ऑलवेज रिटन इन द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो आई इज द सब्जेक्ट, हैड and completed is the third form of the verb, the task. The ninth sentence is when I came home, that means something else has already happened, एक action already हो चुका है. They had already eaten the meal. Meal का action जो है वो already हो चुका था when I came home. So when I came home will be in simple past tense. I is the subject, came is the come, came, come. So came is the second form of the verb and the object, right? So I came home is the simple past tense क्योंकि वो अभी complete हुआ है, right? And उस action की complete होने से पहले एक और action complete हो गया था. So that is why we are writing it in past perfect tense. They is the subject, then had already, third form of the verb eaten the meal. The last example, he began to run after he had seen the cat. Again, he began to run is the action in the past, and the past perfect is after he is the subject, had seen the cat. Children, with these 10 examples, I made myself very much clear with the simple past tense and also the past perfect tense. I hope, children, you were able to understand it. For any queries, you can drop down your comments in your comment section, and I am also going to leave the links of the other videos on tenses which I have already made, where you can refer to or go through and see and watch the videos and clear your doubts. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.